The Coast Guard on Tuesday rescued 3 fishermen after their canoe capsized off the coast at Mobor Beach. A distress call came in at around 11 a.m. on Tuesday morning at the Coast Guard Operations Room from the Coastal Security Police Station Betul, intimating the capsizing of a canoe off Mobor Beach. The Coast Guard Ops team swung into action after assessing the situation and planning the rescue mission. The Coast Guard helicopter was launched within minutes, with the pilots braving the rough weather to approach the capsized canoe. The Coast Guard personnel airlifted 3 crew members and landed them to the safety of the shore. Meanwhile, water scooters with lifeguards reached the site on sighting the helicopter and rescued another 5 crew members. Here is District Commander, Coast Guard District 11, Manoj Bhatkar, with the details.
So, what's your first reaction? Your people did a splendid job.
Yeah, it was at about 11 o'clock when we came to know from Betul police station that 8 of our fishermen are drowned after a canoe capsize. We were worried. Immediately we planned, and we feel very proud and happy to say that our helicopter took up exactly within 20 minutes after we informed the helicopter. And in 5 minutes they were searching for, because the fishermen, once they capsize, they drift. I believe they drifted almost about 800-900 meters away from where they had actually sunk. Then we could identify them and picked up one by one. And by the time we picked up 3, water scooters were ready, but they were not able to identify where exactly these fishermen are there. But seeing our helicopter, they could go to the place and they picked up 5. And Coast Guard felt very happy to living to our motto of saving our fishermen at sea. We could live today to it and culminate this operation very successfully.
So, after this total episode, what would like to advise the fishermen and
as a Coast Guard officer, I would certainly like them to adhere to all the safety standards which the local government have been telling, the fisheries department, the collector has been telling. But I do understand the pros and cons, and despite it was a rough weather yesterday and high winds declared. But a poor fisherman always is a fisherman. He would like to, because this is the only livelihood earning thing what he has got, and he might have ventured to the sea to look after himself. Provide the bodyguard इनके बीच में, because they have done a good job, so we would like to. पूरा नजदीक आ जाओ ताकि.
सर बताइए, जिस तरह से ये ऑपरेशन आपने पूरा किया है, क्या कैसा लग रहा है, मतलब क्या आपका इसके अंदर प्रतिक्रिया है?
It's a feeling of satisfaction. हमारा मोटो है, we protect. There is a problem at sea, we are supposed to respond, and everything went off well, so it was actually very satisfying.
सब 20 मिनट आपने ऑपरेशन कंप्लीट किया, थोड़ी कुछ मुश्किलें भी आई होंगी, जरा
वेदर वाज वन फैक्टर, क्योंकि इन बिटवीन पैचेस मिल रहे थे बारिश के जाते समय, बट लकीली एरिया में वेदर वाज क्लियर, सो वी कुड डू इट कंफर्टेबली. हालांकि इन बिटवीन देयर वर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स, गस्ट्स में जब आ रहा था तो मेंटेनिंग ओवर द बोट, जब हम सर्वाइवर को उनको उठा रहे हैं बोट से, उस समय जब हवा के झोंके आ रहे थे तो थोड़ा बहुत मुश्किल था, बट वी कुड मैनेज इट.
अच्छा, हमें थोड़ा सा इस टोटल ऑपरेशन के बारे में बताइए ना, मतलब किस तरह से ऑपरेशन किया गया, मतलब आपको जब जहाँ से आपको कहा गया कि ऐसे ऐसे करना है, वहाँ से लेके पूरा ऑपरेशन का मतलब किस तरह से सर्वाइव हुआ?
Our DHQ had gotten information from I think police control room Betul that there's a boat which is capsized this morning 8 o'clock or so. We got this information about 11:10, and within 10 minutes we were airborne. Once we reached off Mobor beach, we started searching for the for the wreckage or any other floating objects. We took about 2 to 3 minutes to identify where the boat had sunk. Once we closed in, then we realized that the people were hanging on to fishing nets. So we initially picked up one of them, brought them to beach, that is the Mobor beach. There we could see that there were a lot of crowd was gathered, and even Drishti people were there. But since they were not able to locate as to which place the boat had sunk, they were not able to go for a search or a rescue thing. So we then guided the Drishti boats also, and Further, one person at a time, we rescued 3 people. In between, the water scooters also came and they picked up 5 people in rotation. So that was the thing. After we landed at the beach and we confirmed that yes, everybody has returned, and we came back to place.
सर आपके रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन के टाइम थोड़े आपको मुश्किलें आई क्योंकि आप क्लासेस कुछ फिशरमैन के साथ क्लासेस ऑर्गेनाइज करते हो, उनको बताते हो
उनके पास कुछ सेफ्टी के
हाँ, दिस सिंस आपने सवाल पूछा है, हमारा जो DHQ 11 है ये हर 2-3 हफ्ते में अलग अलग जगहों पे जाके कम्युनिटी इंटरेक्शन करते हैं. कम्युनिटी इंटरेक्शन का मेन मकसद ये है कि हाउ टू गो अबाउट सेफ प्रैक्टिसेस व्हेन गोइंग फॉर फिशिंग. सो अगर हमारे फिशरमैन इसमें रेगुलरली पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे सो उनके लिए भी आसान रहेगा कि अगर कोई मुश्किल है तो उससे कैसे निकला जाए, और उससे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी ये है कि मुश्किल में ना फंसे, उसके लिए क्या उनको करना चाहिए. So it is better if our fishermen, the fishing community across Goa, they regularly participate as and when we are conducting the community interaction programs.